Hi everyone, I'm Luca Leomazzi, a PhD student from Ivan Science Lab, and I want to show you my poster, benchmarking batch effect correction practices and algorithms for cytometry data. It is a benchmark for batch effect correction tools that are commonly used for cytometry, but in our benchmark we also include tools from single-cell RNA-seq analysis and statistical methods that are very well known from the past. We start first by classifying the way in which this algorithm works, so they can correct towards a batch or towards the middle, they can have a clustering step or not, and they can make use of a so-called control sample or anchored sample or reference sample. What we did is to collect datasets with perfect replicates between them. So, for instance, we profile mouse 1 wild type in batch 1 and batch 2. So, our dataset is composed of all these replicate samples, so we are sure that we are actually isolating the batch effect from the biological effect, given that the sample is the same between batch 1 and batch 2. A little bit like what happens with the real controls. We made a pipeline that runs on Nextflow, and it's based on the Vayesh framework. We make use of different metrics, the earth mover distance, the average batch error square, and others like the numbers of fecal anomalies, the flow zone mapping similarity, the ILEC, and much more. The preliminary results are based only on 3 out of 5 datasets, and in general we observe that the most common tools that are CyCombine and CytoNorm are actually the best performers.